Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my salmon patties or salmon croquettes. This guys is super quick, easy and delicious. You can also prep this guys ahead of time, so when you're ready it's easy for you to make. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of my delicious recipes. Like, share this video, comment. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the ingredients that we will be using, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. So to a heated pan, I'm adding some diced onions, green bell peppers. So I don't know about you guys, but I love green bell peppers. To me, it has more flavor. And I'm also adding the red and the yellow. And I'm also going in with some garlic. You can also let me know which one of the bell peppers in the comment section is your favorite to cook with. All right, allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'm adding some capers. This adds a really nice vinegary flavor to the salmon, which is really delicious. I'm going in with some parsley, chicken bouillon, smoked paprika, black pepper, and give that a good stir. Alright, allow this to cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding just a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so allow that to cool at room temperature. So to our salmon, I just seasoned with some salt, black pepper, and a little bit of paprika. So what I did is pan sear this salmon here for about 2 minutes. As you can see, this salmon is partially cooked. The reason I am doing it this way is because I have to fry the salmon cake or croquettes again. So you do not want to have a dry salmon. Nothing worse than eating a dry fish or dry salmon. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Alright, so now we will actually put this together. So to a clean bowl, we adding our salmon, and this should be at room temperature. Then I'm going in with my peppers and onion. We're using mayo, some parsley, some breadcrumb, and we'll mix this together. The measurement I use, guys, will also be in the description box. Then I'm going in with 2 beaten eggs. Awesome. So I actually place this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now I'm actually forming it up. You can do it like that with your hands, or you can use one of these cutters like what I'm using here. So here we're working smarter, not harder. Alright, so we make them like that. Guys, this is super easy and so delicious. Great, and that is what it looks like. And all the shapes are the same sizes and everything. Very unique and uniform. So to my pan, I added some oil and a little bit of butter. And we will sear our salmon patties until they're nice and golden. This took about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Keep regulating your stove also, the heat. When it's nice and golden, you can remove. Handle with care because salmon is very delicate, so very delicate flaky fish. And there it is, guys, our amazing salmon cake / croquettes. Super delicious. You guys just have to try this one. If you guys are new to my channel again, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Those who are here, thank you. Have a fabulous day. See you in the next video.